This is my follow-up video on my dinghy outboard motor lower unit that I'm thinking about switching to electric as soon as I find the proper motor to put on top here. If you remember in the prior video on this topic, I was going to take out the lower water pump impeller because it was causing drag. So I just want to show you how this comes apart. You have a couple of screws here. Simply unscrew that. There's the impeller. Slide this impeller off and you get it out of the way. And by the way, the impeller on a lot of motorboats is actually, the water pump is actually where it fails. So if you do get an old boat motor like this and you're still running it on gas, that is a place to look to see if it's overheating. But it's not pumping any water out the tail. Alright, thanks for watching this video.